Hi, so I'm inside of uh, Microsoft Fabric, and I've used the Neo4j Graph Intelligence workload to analyze the graph, which I've created from OneLake data. So I've got the Transport for London cycle data, which shows all the rideshare data across the London network. I built a graph using our graph agent, and I've run the Aura Graph Analytics betweenness and page rank algorithms to generate the betweenness and the page rank scores for each of the stations. And what I want to do is export those results back to the Lakehouse and then create a data agent for people to ask questions and have the agent answer them using natural language questions. So I go to export. I'm going to select the station and I want to take the betweenness and page rank scores back, and I've chosen the export mode update. So it will update and add new columns to the existing tables. So I can now start that process. You see it started the Spark job, and then I can track the progress using the history tab. Okay, so now that the export job has completed, the results will be back in the Lakehouse. So if I come over to the Lakehouse, we can see I've got page rank and betweenness scores now. So what I want to do is create a data agent. So new agent, TFL agent, and then what I can do is add in some of the tables. Obviously, we want the station information and the station located in an area. Let's just ask a question, see if it can find the right top 5 stations by page rank score. Provide station name and score. Here we go. So you've got the scores, and now I'm going to publish my agent. Answer questions on page rank and betweenness. Now I've created my agent, and I'm able to answer score. Okay, now I'm over in Copilot. I'm going to ask the same question. I can select the TFL agent. What is the highest page rank score? Waterloo. Excellent. So we've seen how we've taken page rank and betweenness scores, exported them from Neo4j Graph Intelligence back to the Lakehouse, and created a data agent which is able to answer those questions within Copilot.